Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to just quickly show how you can use Matomo with Grafana. I don't have much experience with Grafana, to be honest. All I know is that some of my clients are using it, and to me so far it looks like very advanced. I could not really understood clearly what it is about because it's just far more than a simple data visualization software. Okay, so it's true that in my case I'm looking for an alternative to Looker Studio of Google, but Grafana, as it's making so many more than this, of course, we notify it straight away as a direct competitor to Looker Studio. And in fact, it can, I think, do the job. So I'm just gonna show it kind of straight away. What is interesting with Grafana is that it's an old software, let's say 2014, and it's let's say secured financially. So well, so to say, it's kind of nice software. In my case, I'm using the cloud. I didn't install it on my own server. So I think it's kind of not that easy to install, but at least it's quite well known. So it's more like many big companies may already have one Grafana instance running. So in order to test it, what you can do is that you can go on grafana.com and then you can ask for a free trial. What's going to happen is that you're going to get, in fact, the access to Grafana, and so far I was struggling in order to be able to just import a mere CSV and as well add my analysis. So I'm going to do in this tutorial, I'm just going to create a new dashboard, okay? Save the new dashboard, blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to give it, well, no name. So far, when you access to a dashboard within Grafana and when you wish to add a new panel, you are not getting any possibilities of using any Matomo data field. The reason is that in order to have the possibility to include the data field here, you need to add a data source integration, and this is what you can find over here. So you need to go on configuration, data sources, and then in my case, I went for the CSV. So I had to type here CSV, and by typing CSV, I saw these things, and then I just installed it, just one-click installation. And then over here, you can put the URL that you would like to query, and over here, you just put the parameter, okay? So you just strip the question mark, and then you just paste over here the different parameters, which are just the remaining part of the URL to query. As it's CSV, you need to add this given parameter at the end, convert to Unicode equals 0. At least that's more secure. That's typically the kind of thing that we do with Looker Studio. And as well, you add your token over here. In my case, I'm querying the demo of Matomo, so the status anonymous is fine. Okay, once you do so, then you can access to the dashboard that you wanted. So in my case, I can browse the different dashboards. Is it this one, the new one? No, it's not this one. Anyway. I'm gonna just go back over here and just create a new dashboard. Okay, so new dashboard. Here is my new dashboard. Maybe I can give it a name. Okay, I don't know how to give a name yet. As I said, I'm not an expert, but I just understood the big picture. So now you can add a new panel. You add a new panel. Here you get the data source. So here you pick up the CSV. CSV in our case correspond to the one that we just added. So it's CSV switch to table. Okay, we are getting our data feed. All good. We can apply. We have it. Next big thing is about how we can add some text here in order to add our conclusion, let's say, or analysis. So here we can just click over here and add a panel. Then you can click over here and add a new panel. And then, not sure if it was over here. No, that was tricky, sorry. I just edit. No, perhaps going back. It's not the best software in terms of instinctive. Okay, it's clearly, as I say, it's a huge thing, so there are many things to deal with. Okay, and over here you can select, in fact, the text plugin. When you select the text plugin, then you can easily go over here and decide to edit it. So it's here on the panel. So edit, and then okay, you get all your thing over here. So hey, that's my analysis. Okay. No. Visits in January. Okay. And then you can save it. Then you can select, in my case, that was this one. Apps. So it's good. And then, oops, I have somehow my dashboard with my analysis over here that I can edit accordingly, that I can move wherever I want. So as said, I have the feeling that we can do something with Grafana and Matomo. Of course, you can use a data source which is more MySQL thing. There are some other data sources that you can use over here. So yeah, blah blah, blah blah. New dashboard one. Okay, so including JSON. The new data source. Okay, JSON. Okay, so many different type SQL that you can use in order to import data within the system. Hope that helps.